Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create the GTA effect or filter trend video on TikTok Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open the TikTok app onto your device and log in onto your account. Once you're already in here, let's go ahead and head onto home so that we could search here or click onto the search bar. So onto the search bar, just type in GTA filter. So right after that, once you have clicked onto that, you should be able to see under top the effects that are available, which are offering the GTA effect. So I highly recommend to choose the second option, which is the GTA character AI. Now, just simply click onto this video icon so that you could go ahead and proceed to go ahead and capture yourself or anyone with a GTA filter. So once it is already positioned just like this, just simply click onto create and it will go ahead and initialize or create the GTA filter trend. So you'll just have to wait for this one to be finished and it will go ahead and load like this. So for you to be able to go ahead and capture while it is still processing, so you could click onto this icon in here on or the red circle to start recording. So we could try this one out. So let's simply click onto that and then it will automatically play as well. So you could choose also to just record it right after it has been processed already. So if you did not like the first outcome, you could just simply retry it. And that is how easy you create the GTA filter trend video onto that on TikTok. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.